Shiba Inu is going to the moon. My friend, in this video you are going to learn what's going to happen with Shiba, where it is the best price to close your position or book at least part of your profit, my recommendation, and what's going on with Bitcoin, why Bitcoin yesterday rise up so much without any decent pullback. Let's start. Before I ask you to push like, subscribe and turn on the bell to get more updates in the future, because you'll find so many useful videos on this YouTube channel that will help you trade and make money on crypto. Let's start. About Shiba Inu, remember I published this update. It was, my friends, October 5th October. I told about Shiba Inu is going to the moon, and also as Bitcoin. And take a look what happened at that time. Take a look, my friend. I open long trade on this trend line breakout. Honestly, here I thought that there would be some additional pullback, but next entry idea, next trend line was at 3 a.m. my time in my country. I'm from East Europe, and take a look what happened after that. It just skyrocketed. At this moment, major questions that most of you could ask: what should you do the next with Shiba Inu? But before I will tell you, subscribe to my free public Telegram channel, where I share with you updates, lessons on daily basis. For example, Bitcoin update, Shiba update, my trades that I do, video lessons, all of that. There would be link below. Subscribe to get all notification directly in your telephone. Let's go. As I told many days ago, Shiba Inu broke this range. It is massive accumulation area. Main reason why that breakout happened, because Shiba Inu got listed on Coinbase, and that was a cascade effect, because a lot of people started buying it, and people that keep short positions, they got liquidated. And because of that, such massive pump started. But my friends, at this moment, remember that people that keep Shiba Inu and bought it in the middle of that range, they could close 372% of their profit. What does it mean? For some people, especially those that put 100k, 1 million, it's big amount of money. That's why I recommend you to fix part of your position, because you don't know how far it could rise. Because let me share with you an example. Shiba, I recommend you compare Shiba to Dogecoin, because Dogecoin was nearly the same. Dogecoin was in a range, and suddenly in one moment it got pumping. And take a look what happened with Dogecoin here. Dogecoin rise up by 577%. And take a look after that, from this place to this place, Dogecoin did, my friend, it was really huge pullback, 63%, 63% pullback. Imagine that if you have like 10k, suddenly your 10k become 3,700. It's too big pullback. You don't need to keep your money such long in a Shiba Inu. What I recommend you to do, if price nearly previous all-time high, I totally recommend you to close minimum 50% of your position. Why? Because you will be out without any kind of risk, because even if Shiba Inu will drop to zero, you will be like that game will be out of risk. I recommend you, all of you that jump, especially in that range, take out your money. Take out your money, because I saw many times have crypto crash by 50, 70, 80%. I spoke with people that told me that Dogecoin will be 1 USD. All of that bullshit. No one knows how far price could rise. That's why, as soon as possible, take out money that you put your original money into risk. That's it. That's why below nearly this area, I totally recommend you to close minimum 50%. And here, if you bought in the middle of this range, I recommend you to get out your amount of money and keep rest to the moon, because that rest would be risk-free. Friends, if you enjoy, write in the comments, would you like to hear more such for feedbacks from me, updates? What should you do? Also push like. Next ideas about Shiba, where it would be possible to open any trade. I recommend you to trade trend line breakout strategy on Shiba Inu at this moment. It may be the best trading strategy. Why? Because take a look how it played out so much. While market is bullish, at this moment the best strategy what you can do if you're looking for new entry. Wait for pullback, build powerful trend line, and trade breakout. For you, I prepared whole playlist with breakout trading strategy. it would be below this video. There would be whole playlist. I recommend you to watch all of these videos, my friends. You will learn what's breakout trading strategy and how you can make money on it. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go Bitcoin. Yesterday, I hope you remember video that I shoot here and publish in our Telegram, when I told that there are 3 scenarios, and I think a scenario, if price would jump really fast, after that there could be fast pullback. But at this moment, my friends, what I can tell you, I think at this moment I think a little bit different, because I thought that that rise would be because of liquidation of short sellers. But take a look yesterday, sellers nearly didn't got liquidated. There was only less than 200 millions of liquidations. How it works? If you keep short sell position, you borrow bitcoins from exchange to sell, and when you got liquidated, exchange forced you to buy back your position, and because of that there would be always some impulse at the end of the move. But that didn't happen yesterday. That means someone big bought really huge position on Bitcoin, and it's really good for Bitcoin community and for all crypto community. And at this moment, my friends, Bitcoin broke the most important key level, and I think even if there would be some slowly range, it would be okay, because if there would be some range on Bitcoin, it would be good for altcoins. But I think we are going to hit previous 60k. I hope before that there would be some range, because if that happens, there could be even bigger breakout. That's it. That's why be ready that Bitcoin could soar to 60-70k after that beautiful rise. And remember that globally, Bitcoin still in a bull run. Friends, write in the comments what should be the next topic of videos that I shoot for you. Thank you for your time. Take care.